Good morning, class 12. So, this is the last topic of this chapter, that is chapter 12, okay? Cost determined pricing. So, our topic is effects of changes in demand, okay? What is the effects of changes in demand in industry, okay, or in the farm? So, here you can see that there is two diagram. One diagram is where supply curve, this is a supply curve, it's a horizontal straight line, but the long run average cost curve is a U shape, okay? And here we are talking about what? Farm. So it is a farm. And again you can see this second one where the still price is fixed, supply curve is fixed, okay? Supply curve is fixed. And here you can see the demand curve. So now, and we are talking about this one is of industry, okay? This curve is of industry and this curve is of farm, okay, not industry. Now we need to understand what is the role of demand curve in this two farm, okay, in this two, in farm also, in industry also. So demand curve has no role to play in determining price of a commodity, as supply curve is, as supply is horizontal line, so price is fixed, okay. Now here it is told that there is no role of demand in fixing price, okay. In determining price means demand has no role in price in fixing price, but however demand curve is needed to determine the quantity of output. Yes, quantity of output for the industry, okay, for the industry. Now this is of the farm, okay, this is we are talking about farm, but this is about industry. So now demand, this demand curve has no role in fixing price because price is fixed here, but demand has role in determining the level of output. So here you can see that this is the supply curve. Here price, demand and supply both intersect. It means for the farm, O1 M1 is the output level where the farm can get the maximum profit. Now second case, it decides, it means it decide how much industry should produce, means O1 M1 industry should produce if the demand is this, if the demand curve is at A. Now again you can see that next demand curve is at B, okay, here, because at B both supply curve and the demand curve intersect. It means industry can determine that O1 to M2, O1 to M2 level of output they must produce, okay, as per the demand. So therefore we can say that demand here in industry, okay, demand has no role in determining price, but demand has role in determining quantity of output for the industry. So the for the industry supply curve determine price, for the industry supply curve determine prices. With the help of supply curve we can come to know about the prices, and demand curve helps to determine quantity of output. Now for note, okay, for a farm quantity of output sold is determined by the LAC, means long run average cost. So long run average cost help to determine the price or quantity of output in the, in case of farm, okay, but in case of industry it helps, demand help us to know the output level. Thank you students, I hope you all understood this. In case if you have still doubt you can ask me personally.